Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Happily Handmade by Janani. So today I am up with a tutorial of how to make embroidery eyes and a smile for these two cute keychains that I am making. So this is a cup keychain. It looks very cute. If you want the tutorial for this, do mention in the comments. And this is a very cute octopus. So we are going to make eyes and a smile for both of these, so I will show you how to make them. For that, here I have taken a darning needle and a black color yarn here. So this is the anchor mercerized knitting cotton yarn that I have taken to use for the eyes. So let's take the cup and start making the eyes. So you can decide wherever you want to put the eyes. So I am going to randomly put it here. So I am skipping one stitch here and making it here. You can do it how much ever big you want. Embroidery eyes are very safe for kids, and also we don't use plastic eyes because they're not good for the environment. See how cute it looks. You can continue making until you like the size of the eyes. So you could just continue to go on like this. So I will be making one more this side and then I'll move on to the second eyes. So here we have made the first eyes. So we're going to make the second eyes in the same row here. You can just adjust the eyes like this. So I am going to insert it here and take it out on the same row. So on the same row I am going to make one more eyes here. Making embroidery eyes for your amigurumis makes it look very cute. You can do it for all your keychains and that will look very cute. So here also I'm going to make one more time. So here we have made two eyes. So now let's just close this. I'll be going inside this and bringing it back through this. You can adjust the shape, that's not an issue. So I will tie this and close this end. You should make 2 knots. And you can just cut it. You can continuously make a smile, but I started this here, so I have to close it because there's no space to make a smile. So I am just closing this and then I'll start again. So you can just stuff this black yarn inside. So now we have made 2 eyes. It looks very cute. Now let's make the smile. So let us first see how many stitches are left here. So it's approximately 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can start approximately in the middle. So I am going to do it from here to here. So I need to put it here. So I'm coming from the back like this because that will look much better. So let's just put it inside this. You have to leave a thread like this to tie it at the back, and then insert it on the next other side of the smile, and then insert from here in the middle like this, from here in the middle. So after pulling, you will have it like this. Insert your needle inside this and just bring it down. So pull it like that and just bring it like this. So now you've got a smile. Insert it inside the same hole and just bring this outside. So now you have got a cute smile. You can just adjust it. So now we have got a cute smile for the cup. So we can take this yarn back here and then just cut it and then tie it. So now I have pushed it inside. So if you see, here is our cute eyes and smile. So it looks very cute. You could just bring eyes a little. So this is how you make embroidery eyes and smile. So I will be making the same thing for the octopus and I will show you after that. So here if you see, I have made eyes for the octopus also. So it's looking very cute. I need to add a bow here and the keychain rings. So that's all. This is how you add a cute look to your amigurumis. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more crochet videos. Until I meet you all again, it's bye from me, Janani.